A new generation of anti-snoring pillow helps you deal with snoring problems when you sleep. Hooti Sleep-Aid Anti-Snoring Pillow adopts the latest technology and integrates life safety, health and respiratory prevention. It is the first anti-snoring pillow with a collection accuracy of 90%. Exclusive bone Bluetooth transmission technology, up to 40 centimeters thick, equipped with powerful computing power. When our anti-snoring breather detects snoring, the built-in oxygen uses simulation and air pressure to adjust the position of your head. Moving your head to a suitable position to expand the airway and allow airflow to pass smoothly through the airway. Hooti pillow not only prevents snoring, but also monitors your breathing in real time.